My name is Manolia Petropoulos, and I design Amazon listings at Your AMZ. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact process for designing Amazon listing images step by step from the beginning with just the information provided to me by the client. So let's jump into step number one. Okay, so step number one is I compile all of the information about this product into one place, such as a Microsoft Word document. So the client might give me a product detail page just like this. I'm going to grab the title and I'm going to grab all of the bullet points and description from their site, and I'm going to copy paste that into a Google Doc. Next, I'm going to go to Amazon and I'm going to find a similar product that a competitor is selling that is selling a lot. So in this case, I'm seeing monthly revenue, 90,900. It's a comparable product. I'm going to click this open, and because they're doing about 100,000 a month, I'm actually going to write out what they're doing in their bullet points, in their images, and in their A+ content. I'm going to write all of that out in that same Word document. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, if this product is already on Amazon, I'm going to go to their product reviews. But if it's not on Amazon yet, I'm going to go to a competitor listing just like this, click on reviews, and I'm going to take detailed notes on 2, 3, and 4-star reviews, which tend to be more honest and actually provide a closer look at what the customer actually really likes or dislikes. And I'm going to add some of the more notable reviews or the notable trends into that Word document. And then I'm going to take all of that information and I'm going to create a listing strategy, which I'm going to show you right now. So I spent about 4 to 8 hours actually sifting through all of those product details to come to this listing strategy, which you see here on screen. As you can see, it has the title, the 5 bullet points, the generic keywords for SEO, which only lives in the back end of the Amazon listing, and then a keyword-rich product description for SEO. Once I have this, and as you can see, we have the character counts here on the side, which help me easily make sure that I'm within Amazon's limits. You know, if I go overboard here, you'll see that becomes red, and I know, okay, I'm going to stay within the bounds of what's allowed on Amazon. Easy way to do that in this Excel sheet. Once I have my 5 bullet points, I come down here to my image strategy section where I can have an image headline, which typically correlates to the bullet points. And then I take what the information inside of my bullet points and I just simplify that into 2 or 3 sub bullet points, little check marks, as you can see here. And this gives me pretty much the copywriting for my image designs, which I'm going to show you in a second. And then if there's any additional call outs, highlights, or anything like dimensions, I just note that over here for the design. And then I send this to the client. They approve the strategy. We're all on the same page when it comes to what is going to be in each image. What's the copywriting going to be? What's the approach going to be? They give me the thumbs up, and then I go into the design process. So now let's jump into Photoshop. Okay, so the client has approved the listing strategy, and now we're going to start to design our listing images. So I open up my Photoshop template for Amazon listing images. As you can see here, we have the main image in the top left, and then we have our 6 supporting images below. Amazon allows 7 total images that are visible on your listing. So this is kind of what my template looks like. The main image, not going to be much design there, not yet at least. So the first thing we're going to do is, what is this text graphic going to look like? For some accounts, it's going to be very complicated and have a lot of design work. In this example, it's going to be pretty simple. It's just going to be a little bubble coming up from the bottom, headline, 3 bullet points. I come up with this design, and then I'm going to apply that to all of the rest, which I'll show you right now. So as you can see here, we've actually applied that same text graphic style to all 6 images, and I've actually replaced the correct copywriting from our listing strategy into this document. So everything here is correct from the listing strategy. And the last step is just going to be adding our lifestyle images and then making tweaks to finalize these. So let's bring in our lifestyle images that are specific to each image's copywriting. So if it says fits most jar candles down here in the bottom left, we want to make sure we're showing an image that, maybe is a large candle that's being put into this candle warmer. And we have just now brought this listing to life. So I took the client's asset folder that they provided me in the onboarding of the project, and I essentially lined it up with the correlating listing image. So as you can see here, fits most jar candles. We're actually showing someone placing a jar candle into the candle warmer. 3-foot cord with on and off switch. We're actually showing that on and off switch. The dimensions, which was a call out feature in the listing strategy, we've actually added those as a call out on the image. And this is now ready for export. So I'm just going to come up to, file, export, and then export artboards to files. We put that into a specific folder, send that to the client. But that is essentially my exact process for designing Amazon listing images. I pretty much skipped the 8 hours of actually sifting through all the info that turned into the listing strategy. But that is a key component of designing your Amazon listing images, choosing the right copywriting, selling the benefits, and delivering that in a way that is simple and easy to digest. As you can see here, a couple bullet points really just drive the key information home. So I hope this was helpful. If you got value from this quick video on how to design listing images, please give me a like or leave a comment below. I love the feedback. Additionally, if you want a free audit of your Amazon account and a free growth plan, you can just click the link in the description below. You can book a call with me and my team, and we'll give you advice on your Amazon business and then give you a free growth plan for your next steps and how to grow on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.